Hi guys, so today I'm going to pose a review of a homestay which is called New Norbu Homestay, which is situated in Saspol, that is on the way from Kargil to Leh. So it is around 60 kilometer to Leh, and like if you go left you'll go to Kargil, and if you go right you'll go to Leh. So this is a view from the outer of the homestay, so we are going inside the homestay right now. So I'll show you the rooms and like the owner, everything. So if you are planning to stay in between Kargil and Leh, I would recommend this place because it's really a nice place too for the homestay. So you will see many trees and plants, everything is here. So we're just going inside. So I'll show you the rooms by one. So the first room is for a couple actually. So this is for a couple. So you'll see a nice room with a bathroom attached to it. You'll see Western kind of toilet here. So it's well maintained. So this is the first room when we enter the homestay, and you got a common bathroom here. And this is another room where this is also for not for couples, actually you can say, when two bachelors, two separate beds here. And you got a sofa, nice sofa out here. So for this room there is no bathroom attached. You have to use a shared bathroom here. And we're going to the next room here. So this is another room for couples. This is looking really cool. Like you can see the wooden roof and everything is nice. And another room, I think this is for a single person. Like you can see one bed. If you're coming alone, or if you're a solo traveler, you can stay here. You can opt for it. And this is a dining hall. So this is traditional Ladakhi kind of table and chairs. Like there's a dining hall out here, and then this is a kitchen. So this is a kitchen here, and this is a room for like 4 people. So actually we are staying in this room. So like if you are coming for like bachelors and if you are willing to stay, you can opt out for this room. Okay, I'll go out. Okay, this is the owner of the homestay, Norbu. He is a ex-army personnel. Yeah. He retired from army in 2018, right? 2018, 30 years of service, right? Okay. So let's go upstairs, and sorry, before that, I'll show you the garden where we have apple trees and apricot. So this is a garden out here where you can see apricot and apple trees, and I think cabbages also. So this is the apple trees you can see here. So I'm shooting this in the month of September. So this is the season for apple. So you can see green apple and you can see red apples. You see the apple. The size of the apple is like really huge, and it's tasty. It's not what you get from the market. It's more sweeter. So this is his garden. So you can see here. I'm not going out inside of the garden, so just showing you the view from here. Now I'll show you. Okay, I think that is watermelon. It looked like watermelon. I'm not sure. Okay, now we'll go to the dining hall. I'll show you the dining hall. Okay, we are going upstairs to show you the dining hall, and here's a puppy. His name is Ozzy, and he's so cute. Ozzy, shake hand, shake hand. Okay, we are going inside. So this is basically his home, like where he lives, and there's a bathroom here. And this is his son. What's your name? Rinzin. Rigzan. So he looks after father's business, which is a furniture shop in Leh. So this is the dining hall. This is a traditional Ladakhi kind of dining hall, and you can see many plates and everything here. And then, so this is where we had dinner yesterday, and now we are going to have the breakfast. It's morning here, around 9 a.m. And there's a view from the balcony. So I'm not going to reveal the prices here because it depends. You can come here and you can ask for the price directly to Mr. Norbu. So he said price is not fixed, it can vary. So it's better you can ask, you can approach directly. I'll give the contact number in the description, and even I'll post a Google Map location coordinates in the description. So there's a view from here, and yeah, that's it. So if you are traveling from Srinagar or Kargil to Leh, and if you're willing to do a stopover, so I would recommend this place. It's really cool, and the hospitality is very nice. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.